If you're a blogger or a book publisher and you would like to save time and money when it comes to creating good and quality content, then this video is for you. Hello, Clint Ejele here. With this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a software called Retexter. If you have ever found yourself struggling to articulate your thoughts or enhance your writing, this tool might just be your new best friend. So let's jump right into this review and see what Retexter has to offer. Retexter is an AI writing assistant that has features that allows you to do things such as paraphrasing and summarizing your content. And they also have inbuilt grammar and plagiarism checkers, and also a content writing feature that helps you generate content from scratch. So how to access Retexter? Open any of your browser and search on retexter.ai, and this will pop up. This is the interface of retexter.ai. So just click on try for free and it comes up like this. So empower your content with AI magic touch. So you sign up, your name, email address, and you can put your password and click continue. So I have an account already, so I'll just click login. So I'm logged in now. And also this is desktop site. So to make it more easy for you to operate, you can put it on desktop site. First off, let's talk about the user interface. Retexter provides a clean and user-friendly interface that makes the writing process easy. Whether you're a professional writer or a student working on an assignment, you will find it easy to navigate and utilize the various features. One of the standard features of Retexter is its paraphrasal capacity. It can take a sentence or a paragraph and paraphrase it in different ways while maintaining the original meaning. Retexter paraphraser is an intelligence that enables to remove non-useful words while writing to make you sound better. Unlike normal paraphrasers in the market, they just change synonyms and ignore syntax. Retexter keeps the meaning of your text. This is incredibly useful when you want to avoid plagiarism, create content variation, or simply improve the flow of your writing. Retexter offers multiple paraphrasing modes: conventional, friendly, humorous, and professional, allowing you to choose the level of creativity or simplicity you desire. Let's try the paraphraser too. So I have an article open here: food preservation method and guardians. So let me copy this here. This place. Copy. Go back to Retexter and paste. I want to sound friendly. So click paraphrase. Making the magic. Please wait. Okay, it's done with the paraphrasing. You can see how different these two paragraphs are now. Picks out the most important words for you and paraphrase them. You can do up to 700 words at a go. So let's move on to the next feature: plagiarism check. The plagiarism check. The Texter's plagiarism check helps users quickly and easily check for plagiarism in their content. It is a great tool for students, writers, and researchers who need to ensure their content is original and free of plagiarism. So what you do is just paste your content here, paste it here, then click check for plagiarism, and you do that. Another aspect of Retexter that I found valuable, it is grammar check and editing feature. It not only identifies grammatical errors but also suggests corrections and improvements. It is like having your own personal assistant right at your fingertips. Whether you struggle with punctuations, sentence structures, or word choice, Retexter got your back. So let's paste a text and you see what you can do. Paste. You can just easily click this button here, fix errors, and it fixes all your errors, your punctuations, and your sentence structure. Retexter also provides a summarizer tool that can be used to summarize long text into shorter, more coherent versions. It is also useful for those who need to quickly summarize long text for presentation or other purposes. So you can either summarize your text by paragraphs or summarize it by key sentences. So let me paste a text here. Either summarize by paragraph As you can see, our 281 words have returned to 17 words by the summarizer. That was a good one. There's an additional feature that allows us to generate content from scratch, content writer. So when you click content writer, you click the chat with me box. Let's say you want to write a content on food, maybe recipe. So write a breakfast recipe and procedures to make it. So come here and click this. It's loading. It's generated a recipe. So breakfast burrito ingredients: 2 large flour, yes, and this is the measurements and way to make it. This is an amazing feature for us to generate our content from scratch. If you're finding it difficult, you're struggling with generating new ideas for your content, either your books or your blog, or you're a publisher and you're finding it difficult to create ideas, you can just come to Retexter, generate writer, and type in anything, and it will pop up answers for you, and your ideas will be rejuvenated. So, but wait, there is more. Retexter also includes language translation features. It supports multiple languages: French, Spanish, German, making it a valuable tool for those who work with content in different languages, who need assistance in translating their writing. It's like having a language expert by your side, guiding you through the difficulties of translation. Overall, I've been thoroughly impressed with Retexter. Its user-friendly interface, paraphrasing capacity, grammar checking, and editing features have undoubtedly elevated the quality of writing. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a professional writer, Retexter has the potential to be a game changer in your writing journey. That wraps this up for our review for Retexter. If you are interested in exploring this incredible writing tool further, be sure to check out their website and give it a try. And remember, writing is an art, and with the right tools, we can all become more smith of our own. Until next time, keep writing and let your words soar. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section if this video was useful to you. Thank you.